臨迪士尼星夢光影之旅20週年限定版內容分享。節目幾分鐘之後就會開始，敬請就座。
大家好，歡迎莅臨迪士尼星夢光影之旅20週年限定版內容分享。節目幾分鐘之後就會開始，敬請就座。
Hello everyone and welcome to the special 20th anniversary edition of Momentous Overview. This session will begin in just a few minutes. We invite you to take your seats at this time.
大家好，歡迎嚟臨迪士尼星夢光影之旅20週年限定版內容分享。現在請以熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎你嘅主持人。
大家好，歡迎莅臨迪士尼星夢光影之旅20週年限定版內容分享。現在請以熱烈的掌聲歡迎你的主持人。
Hello everyone and welcome to the special 20th anniversary edition of Momentous Overview. And now, please welcome your hosts.
We 又見面啦！頭先嘅迪士尼好有巡遊派對娛樂，係咪好有氣氛呢？嗱，不過話明咧，20週年派對會由日玩到夜㗎嘛，所以又點可以唔介紹埋迪士尼星夢光影之旅20週年限定版呢？呢個昇華版嘅迪士尼星夢光影之旅將會為派對嘅氣氛推到最高啊！
I can already imagine the vibe. This 20th anniversary edition of Momentous will elevate our magical party to new heights, providing an unforgettable climax to our day-to-night celebration. And now, please welcome Creative Director of Entertainment at Hong Kong Disneyland Resort, Christy Evangelisto, and Executive Director of Entertainment at Hong Kong Disneyland Resort, Paul Revay.
Well, hello again. As we always say, no celebration is complete without the most magical show on earth, the Momentous Nighttime Spectacular. And to make the 20th anniversary extra special, we'll be presenting Momentous Party in the Night Sky, created exclusively for this milestone celebration.
That's right, Paul. It's definitely the grandest ever night show at the park, spanning from the Castle of Magical Dreams all the way to Main Street, USA. For the first time ever, it will dazzle with 8 multimedia elements, including 3D projection mapping, drones, illuminated water projections, choreographed water fountains, flames, lasers, theatrical lighting, and pyrotechnic effects. This enhanced version adds new stories and Disney characters to breathtaking projections and drone choreography, illuminating the night sky with nearly 30 minutes of music and memorable moments. It's an immersive 360-degree spectacle like no other.
呢個接近30分鐘嘅迪士尼星夢光影之旅20週年限定版，名為迪士尼星夢光影之旅星空派對，絕對係香港迪士尼歷來最盛大嘅夜間匯演。呢場昇華版嘅匯演呢，係首次由奇妙夢想城堡延伸到整條美國小鎮大街，當中用上咗8種多媒體嘅特效，包括立體光雕投影、無人機表演、水幕投影、噴泉水柱、火焰、激光、舞台燈光，仲有煙火效果等等，完美咁為全日嘅奇妙派對畫上句號啊！
At the heart of the news story, Mickey Mouse gathers numerous Disney friends from different Disney stories to bring the most magical party of all to life with decorations and music.
Now, first to appear will be the fairy godmother, who magically transports the mechanical clock of the nighttime spectacular into the night sky. The clock's chimes remind Mickey that it's time to get ready for the most magical party of all. Mickey then calls on a few more magical friends, including Tinkerbell, Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather, to help decorate the Castle of Magical Dreams.
Once the decorations are set, Mickey knows he also needs to bring in the music. He calls on his friends Miguel from Coco, as well as Tiana, Louis, Ray, and Naveen from Princess and the Frog for some musical inspiration. But what's still missing, of course, is friends and family. So with the help of Jeannie, even more Disney friends make their way to this magical celebration.
Now, when everything is ready, Fairy Dust comes together to form a giant 2 and a Mickey head in the sky, creating our signature 20th anniversary logo alongside the iconic Castle of Magical Dreams. This special moment perfectly blends the celebratory spirit of the 20th anniversary with the soaring emotions of Momentous, allowing guests to take home heartfelt memories that linger long after the day to night party.
為咗令派對更加好玩，米奇咧就邀請咗好多好朋友嚟幫手啊，例如有小飛俠嘅奇妙仙子為城堡加上裝飾，又有嚟自玩轉極樂園嘅米哥準備音樂，而阿拉丁嘅精靈咧仲會叫埋一大班朋友齊玩添。當一切準備就緒，奇妙夢想城堡嘅旁邊咧就會出現一個由數字2同埋米奇頭幻化而成嘅20週年標誌，閃耀住樂園嘅夜空啊！
But the wow factor does not stop there. Throughout the night show, guests will be amazed as the magic spills down Main Street, USA, with the extended projections on our building facades. You'll be surprised by all the Disney friends popping up in these projections, designed to elevate the party energy to the max. So make sure to join us in June to witness this yourself.
驚喜當然陸續有嚟啦！除咗會喺美國小鎮大街加上投影之餘啦，當中仲加入咗全新迪士尼故事同埋更多迪士尼朋友，咁精彩，大家一定唔可以錯過啦！
Wow, we'll need to keep our eyes peeled for new friends. A big thank you to Paul and Christy for all these exciting sneak peeks. As our creative sharing wraps up, we want to ensure that this magical red carpet ends on a spectacular note. Later this afternoon, Mickey and Friends, Duffy and Friends, alongside our cast members will strut down Main Street, USA in their fabulous party outfits. You will not want to miss this dazzling runway show.
冇錯啊！米奇與好友、Duffy 與好友，同埋我哋一班精心打扮嘅演藝人員，將會喺今日稍後時間喺美國小鎮大街登場。佢哋會換上20週年派對服飾，走上紅地氈，向大家展示佢哋嘅 Party Fashion。 為嚟緊嘅慶祝活動打響頭炮。除此之外咧，樂園周圍都隱藏住唔同嘅打卡位，邀請大家參加6月嘅奇妙派對。記得準備定你哋嘅相機，捕捉各處驚喜啊！
Yes, the park will also be filled with many surprise photo locations, inviting you all to the most magical party of all this June. So make sure to get your cameras ready to capture these moments. Have a magical day and we'll see you real soon.
我哋好快再見，拜拜。